Welcome to the Cleanviro Complete Waterless Urinal Solution. You'll find that there's a product for all of your needs, including hygienic ceramic covers, odour control tablets, specially made for wall-hung urinals, and the efficient and economical Maxi tablet for floor-mounted stainless steel urinals. And introducing Odour Buster, the versatile odour control solution. Using the Cleanviro product really is as easy as just 1, 2, 3. First, the basin, toilet, urinal, floor, walls or tiles are thoroughly cleaned with a mild detergent solution. Once complete, the Cleanviro spray solution is liberally applied with a damp cloth. Cleaning toilets are quick and easy too. Just clean with a detergent solution to remove any stubborn dirt or stains, and then spray with the Cleanviro spray solution, immediately neutralising any unpleasant odours on contact. To prepare a wall-hung urinal for the Cleanviro product, remove the ceramic cover and clean well with detergent. As you can see, cleaning with Cleanviro is quick and simple. Next, to prevent any unpleasant smells, add 2 caps of undiluted Cleanviro directly to the urinal. Add the strainer, tablet and ceramic cover to complete. And then spray with the Cleanviro cleaning solution. For heavy use urinals, use the Maxi odour control tablets with their specially designed cover. To prepare a floor standing steel urinal, begin by cleaning the appliance with detergent thoroughly. Once done, rinse down thoroughly with water and then spray thoroughly with the Cleanviro solution, leaving a fresh, mild citrus fragrance. Next, add the economical Maxi tablets to the urinal. With regular use, these will last for 4 to 6 weeks each. Prevent uric acid buildup by adding 2 caps of undiluted Cleanviro solution directly to the urinal. A quick mop and you're done. Cleaning is almost complete with a quick spray of the versatile Odour Buster product, immediately removing unpleasant odours in the air.